Evo, posle onoga šetnje po hramu Karnak u Luksoru, u Egiptu. Ima 42 stepena. Evo Luksor, hram Karnak. Evo, hram Karnak u Luksoru, u Egiptu. Evo, Luksor, hram Karnak. Evo, hram Hatshepsut, a danas je 20. jun 2022. Evo, vozimo se elektrovozilom. Idemo 20 km/h, pa dobro. Elektroautomobil.
شد يا مدير عشان معانا التذاكر. على فكرة كل العربيات معدلها 20 مقفولة. ايوه والله. لا اجمل زي بتاع الاتوبيس اللي تتكلم اقول لك الاتوبيس مقفول. لا لا والله فعلا على فكرة واقفين على 20.
Nice spot. Evo, vožnja električnim vozilom od hrama Hatshepsut kao autobus. I must buy this thing.
Electric.
Yes, electric, it's very good. How many kilometers you can pass?
Here 16.
16?
60.
Oh, 60. Oh, 60 is very good.
Yeah, this is made in Egyptian.
With this I can go to the lake to swim because it's a very good thing. I can take my friend.
BMW.
Aha, BMW is this machine.
Made in Egyptian.
With this I can go to the swim on the lake in my city. I have 10 kilometers in one way and it will be nice.
Orgada Habibi.
Yes, Habibi.
Romania?
No, Serbia.
Oh, try Serbia. Welcome. Try. It's nice people, Serbia.
Evo, postarenje čamcem. Idemo na drugu obalu. Pristajemo na obalu.
You're from Romania? What this name is?
Oklagia.
Oklagia, huh? You know this one.
We have a wire.
Hard wire.
Možete tu. Tu ima mesta.
You see the water there? And look at now this one's how to be done. Very stronger and very flexible, easy, can be rolling. And after that we put it here in the water, in the normal water like is a 1 week. So 1 week here, if you want to get it like this color, white or yellow color, and if you want to get it like that, we must leave it here, it is 2 weeks. Okay? And not use it in a chemical, just normal water. And after that, we use it to pieces like that. And arrange the slice. That's express cross line or horizontal and vertical line. Okay, like that one, express cross line, and after that we recover it and we put this one's here under in a pressing machine.
No, press.
But that one is a modern machine. This one is a modern machine. For ancient Egyptians time, you know what you use it, yeah? Stone rock, yes. And we leave it under the pressing machine for 1 week, and after 1 week we can use it like.
Evo, krstarenje čamcima u Luksoru. Da mi možda idemo u restoran da jedemo, to je bolje.
After this we go inside. So here is alabaster. Alabaster is this 3 color, white, brown and the green. We bring it from the mountain exactly behind King Valley. This is here the first thing we do. This man cut the stone making the form by the hammer, and he's making different form. Sometimes vase, bull, ashtray, statue, anything you want. After this man finished the form, we cover it with cotton material and the glue. And also powder of alabaster. Then we leave it 3 days in the sun, because later when we make a hole inside, the vase doesn't break. And that's how we make a hole inside. Keep working. Thank you. Backstreet Boys, we call them. Yeah, funny guys. After we finish inside, we take the cover off, then we polish it like this with fire to make it very fresh. After firing, sand the stone to make it smooth.
Evo kako se pravi alabaster u Egiptu. Ovo je ta fabrika mala gdje smo srati.
About 100 degrees, then we got the wax, and the wax bring out the color. So one vase, this size, take 10 day work. Very thin, very light, also translucent. Look here. Wow! Please, can we say wow together? Look here. Wow! Very good. Big wow, big discount. This is same stone but made by machine. This is not wow because it's heavy. Okay? We call it faster alabaster. 1 hour machine can make 5-6 vases like this. But handmade is very light. Look here, This is what the people sell in the street, in the market, in Valley Hatshepsut. They call it basalt stone. This is no basalt. One is gips, and the second one, plastic, resin, cast, not real. Real basalt normally green color, just like this.